IGCSE and O-Level, Tasang Control Accounts. We are discussing paper 2010, May-June, paper code 711022. Question 2, Tasang Control Accounts. Let's start. Tasang is in business buying and selling goods on credit. The following information is available for the month of March 2010. Revenue, inventory, trade payables, payment to suppliers, discount received, ending inventory, ordinary goods purchased, wages expensive. These details are given to us. Requirement is prepare the purchases ledger control account showing the balance of trade payable creditors at 31 March 2010. As we had discussed earlier, purchases ledger means the trade payables. The beginning balance of trade payables is given here. We will focus only on the information which is concerned about the purchases, or we can say the trade payables. Revenue has nothing to do with trade payable. Inventory has no link with it, so ignore them. The opening balance will be entered in the trade payable ledger account in the credit side because basically this account represents a liability. So we'll be entering its opening balance in the credit side. Let's look at more information. Payment to suppliers. If we have any payables and we are making payment to them, these payables will be recorded in the debit side because they are actually decreasing the payable account. We are making payment to our supplier. Our trade payable account is decreased or debited. That is why it will be recorded here. Let's look at more information. Discount received 300. Our suppliers had given us discount of 300 on the amount due. So this discount received will actually decrease our payables. Therefore, discount received will also come in the debit side. What more information is given? Ending stock has no link with it, so ignore it. Goods purchased. Yes, when we are purchasing goods and they are on credit, it will actually increase our trade payable. Therefore, purchases will be recorded in the credit side because they are increasing the trade payable account. Wages expenses has nothing to do with the purchases or payable account, so ignore this. Only these four amounts do have a concern with our ledger account. After posting these amounts, let's find the ending balance. Add these two credits, subtract these two debits. Whatever difference we are getting is actually the balance. The balance carried down is to be mentioned on the side which is lesser in total. Then we will rule off the account by showing the same total. The same balance carried down will become the balance brought down on the next day, next month, first date, and will be mentioned here as the balance brought down. So this is how the purchases ledger account of Tasang will be prepared. You can assume it as the trade payable ledger account. Like, subscribe, share, Commerce Lecture Online.